Hi everyone, hope you're doing well and happy new all-time high on Bitcoin. I hope that you watched my last videos and you're actively following my X because I was writing everything here during the day. Yesterday it was a bit hard time, I would say, because the price was super choppy, but today finally we did the breakout and we have this crazy bullish candle on Bitcoin. So this video will be just quick update regarding the market because I know that a lot of people are gonna short right now. And what I want to tell you is that please don't short the pumping coin or don't go against trend. And currently we have a strong bullish trend. Like here it was a good area to short because we can see that actually if you would short from $108,000 it would be a good area and you could catch at least like 2% almost of the move, but still we can see how Bitcoin was respecting this EMAs on 4-hour time frame, respecting this 4-hour FVG. And if you watch all my videos, you know that I always say that in a bullish trend, strong EMAs to long are 2026 or 50 EMA, and this is what we see. We can see that all this time Bitcoin was holding about this 50 EMA. Yeah, here it broke below, but still it could manage to close with the body of the candle above 2026 and 50 EMAs, and as a result we have this crazy breakout. Yesterday I was really confused, and here I was super confused because it was keep rejecting, it was showing bearish divergence, and spot sellers. There were a lot of spot sellers, and also SP500, it was looking super tricky. It came to resistance zone, it was showing bearish divergence, and it supposed to do this pullback. But what do we see even on SP500 today? We can see that yes, it did a pullback, but could find a support exactly on 0.75 Fibonacci level of $5,900, and as a result we can see this bullish close on 4-hour time frame. This is a very Sorry, this is my cat. Just a second. So this is a very strong bullish sign, which means that please take off your bearish bias right now and just follow the trend. As long as SP500 is strong, it will go higher, and it means that it will push the crypto also towards to higher levels. If you read this article that I shared today, let's go to my article. Where it is. This was a really important update. I hope that you read about it. So here I was comparing SP500 with Bitcoin, right? And Bitcoin dominance and total 3. So what do we see here? We can see that SP500 has strong bullish trend and it still has space to go, it still has a space where it can go. So it can still give like 2-3% of the move, which means that Bitcoin can still go higher towards to these levels. All right, so what will we do right now? Bitcoin, no shorting. If there will be some pullback, where it is, so what can it do? It can now consolidate above this 4-hour FVG. This is classic bullish trend price action. All right, the same as it was here. Here did a breakout. It was consolidating above 4-hour FVGs, and here breakout, consolidation above 4-hour FVG. Then this EMAs 2026 and 50s, they catched up with the price, and price continued to go higher. So the same can happen here. Price can either now consolidate, or it will give another push higher, reject, then start consolidating here, and it can continue higher unless it will not lose this 50 EMA on a 4-hour time frame. Okay, so as long as price is above 50 EMA on 4-hour time frame, no shorting, no shorting. Then, so what I want to say, Ethereum, so this was my TA. So it rejected yesterday, and it had pretty bearish close here, and here it was showing bearish divergence on 4-hour. So that's why I thought that probably it will go just a bit lower, you know, before giving a good push higher. But what do we see? We can see that exactly from this 4-hour or 6-hour FVG bullish order block or 0.5 Fibonacci level at around 2,455, we can see that the price bounced exactly from this level, and as a result it came to this resistance zones that I highlighted. But does it mean that from here it will go down? No. If we see, just keep in mind, if we see that Bitcoin is strong, SP500 is okay, now it's rejected, but I think yes, because a new 4-hour candle opened. So if we see that Bitcoin is strong, it already did a new all-time high, you know, if you think that Ethereum will just nuke from here, no, usually it doesn't work like this. Usually Ethereum just starts long consolidation before giving a good push higher, the same as it was here. Look at this time frame from April 23rd till, let's say, May 7th. First of all, let's go to Bitcoin, April. This is what was happening with Bitcoin. Bitcoin already did a good push higher, you know, then it was, yes, it was ranging, but still every close was giving a higher lows, right? Meanwhile, Ethereum was just flat. It didn't pump much, you know, yeah, it bounced from this low, but still, if comparing with Bitcoin, it didn't do a significant move, right? And then after this long consolidation, it did this crazy pump of 56%. Right now, Ethereum can do the same, like it can consolidate and then give another like 30 or maybe 50%. Maybe from here it will go to 4,000. I don't know. I don't know how market makers will decide to push the price, right? Then, of course, we should watch USDT dominance. US dominance rejected from this daily FVG, right? It gave this falling falling star. How I don't remember the name of this candle, but we can see this close with this crazy wick, right? And right now I'm expecting that most probably US dominance will break the support area at around 4.40 and will go much lower towards this and this areas, which means that it probably will drop 6 to 15%. For Bitcoin, it should be a lot. Let's go to my old chart, more high time frame chart. If you remember, I had this chart here, it's still here. So if US dominance will give 15%, then this is what we can expect from Bitcoin. So Bitcoin either will top here, or it can do a fake breakout and then find a top at around $155, $160, $160,000, like this area. We need to watch. Also, it will depend. I mean, if Bitcoin will go higher also depends on SP500. If SP500 will manage to break through this weekly or 3D FVG resistance zone, in this case it will go much higher. No, wait a second. So I will put fibs from this high to this low, which means that SP500 can give a run until this zone or even this zone. Well, we need to watch, okay? This will be first resistance and this will be another resistance, but it's more high time frame. Okay, and of course for altcoins, we have, by the way, we have 10 days for their monthly close, and if Bitcoin dominance will give a good bearish close, then expect Bitcoin dominance on the monthly time frame to drop until here. This will be first important support zone, I would say. This one, not this one, but this one, because look at the EMAs. Like the price and EMAs are too far from each other, so the price needs to catch the EMA, so probably it will come here, same as it was here, October 2019. See, the price was completely far from this EMAs and it came to touch this EMAs. So it can do something similar, you know, it can come, touch, then bounce, and then completely drop as it did previously. Okay, so altcoins, no shorting. If there will be any correction, just load with longs, okay? If there will be any correction, for example, let's talk about curve. Just example, let's say now it will pump, you know, it will come to this resistance zone, it will reject, then probably it will find a support on this EMAs, and it will continue going higher. So try to find better long setups and you will win. All right, then another thing is that I'm doing this challenge that I was talking about. I was pretty underwater, but right now everything is fine, so I decided to make a Telegram channel, and just I will share everything there. It will be more organized. Here it is. There are already 7 members. So yeah, this will be the challenge trades where I will share like all setups the same as I do on X, but here it will be more organized. You know, you will have a section where you will see the setup. You know, these setups will not be messed with other setups, because you can see that I was sharing today like Ethereum, it was not for the challenge, you know, or XRP, it was not for challenge, Trump, it was not for challenge, you know. And of course, I write here some mirror updates or just do some reports. So on X, it's more messy, right? And on Telegram, it's more organized. So because I'm receiving too many messages in DMs like, oh, like is it still valid, what to do with this, what to do with that, and I thought like, okay, it's too many messages, probably people are missing the trades, you know, and they don't know like what's going on. So I decided to make this Telegram channel, but there will be only people who will join through my link, who will join through this exchange, through this link, because once I already had a free Telegram, a free Discord, and people are not respecting someone's work. You know that I'm putting my time, I'm putting my not just emotions, but I'm putting myself, you know, to what I do, and I would really want to help you all, because I understand that you all came to this industry not because of the, let's say, good life. You and me, we all together want to make money, you know. I also have my children and I take care of them on my own. My ex-husband, he doesn't help me at all, so it's all on me. And I also have to make money, but I don't want to do things just for free. That's why I think this is a win-win situation where you can just join through my link. You know, it will help me to grow better because what is the secret? Okay, if you didn't know, when you work with exchanges and you show good performance, they help you to grow. They help you to grow your name. You know, they start to write about you, share about you, and of course, that's why I'm asking. Like, if you really like what I do, if you really want to support me, this is, I think, the easiest way how you can help me. You know, I'm not asking you to pay like for private Discord, you know, and so on. Even though, like, if you want to get more help, I mean, one-on-one calls or personal mentorship, you know, then of course for this it's better to join Discord, because there I have my schedule. Everything is organized, you know. I have time when I can have call with my members and so on. So yeah, if you want to join, feel free. Just use this link, send me this UID number and your Telegram channel nickname. Then I will accept you to this Telegram channel in the future. I'm thinking not only to do this chats, sorry, not chats, this challenge, but also I'm testing now one AI bot, and it looks super cool. Here it is, but I will not show you a lot of things because it's not a bot that gives you signal. I mean, it doesn't give you like entry, take profit, and so on. For this, you really need to know technical analysis and do analysis, but this bot helps you to find a really good volatile coins, and I'm still testing it, and if everything is good, I want to share this setups here as well, because, you know, sometimes I also don't want to sit hours and hours and look for altcoins, because there's so many altcoins in the market, thousands of altcoins, and it's really annoying. So yeah, now we're living in a modern world, so it's time to work with AI. I think this was all what I want to talk about today. And yeah, this exchange is not bad, and you can pay completely zero fees for any trade. It's spot, futures, and so on. It's really number one right now, and they have this offer until the end of this year, because in the end of this year they will start to charge with fees as well. So this is all from my side. If you like this video, if you want to join Telegram, feel free. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.